What's up, market snipers? This is Jesse. It's getting pretty late here. It's after 9 p.m. my time. But after doing a bunch of troubleshooting, I've realized that there's only one thing that could be why the live streams weren't as smooth and why StreamYard was having so many problems. And so I went to the store and I upgraded um, the GPU, the CPU, basically did a whole new system just so I could stream more clearly. Number one, but also with no interruptions because it was it was cutting out nonstop. It the a video wouldn't even play, the music didn't really even play, and blah blah blah. So I'm pretty sure it's all worked out now. I've done some testing. I'm 99.99% sure we're gonna be good to go for tomorrow. So definitely join us 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're gonna do our daily updates. And I realize many of the snipers are throughout the world, so you may be sleeping, but then join us for the replay crew. Remember, if you subscribe, then you're able to comment a symbol you want me to chart for you, and we'll chart it live. So if you're on the replay crew and you comment on the video, uh, I will do it on the next live stream. So, thanks for all of your support. I appreciate it. We're going to jump right into it. A quick preview. MACD bearish crossover on the NASDAQ, question mark pending. So MACD bearish pending cross, right? So we'll get into that tomorrow along with some other things for the first 15 to 30 minutes. And then we will jump on the last 15 to 30 minutes, going through and charting people's requests. So that's what we're going to do tomorrow. That's what we plan. So definitely join me and we'll go from there. But this video, I'm going to try to keep it to about 10, about 7 to 10 minutes. And we're just going to cover Bitcoin as we do on a weekly basis. So if we jump right into it, quick recap. If this is the first time seeing a Bitcoin update because you're a new subscriber and maybe you're new to Twitter, maybe you're new to YouTube and stuff like that, right? So, or to my channels, right? We're talking about a potential breakdown above 29,000, similar to silver, where it could retest the 200-week moving average and or hit some lower targets, and it did, right? And then we saw then we saw bullish divergence, right? Then we had a reversal candle, and even though price wicked up in the first target, that first reversal candle, it closed back below the trending line. So it's always more about the candle close than what's happening in real time, in my opinion. It tells us a lot more. So we had a close below it, but it was a reversal candle, followed by the next candle closed back above the trending line. And then, of course, the buy signal, and the trending line continues to trend upward and is green. So nothing has changed, right? We've hit target 2 now. Let's zoom in here so we can see a little bit better. So target 2. So again, bullish divergence, reversal candle below the trending line. You can see it got rejected there as well. A candle close above it, along with the next one was a buy signal. And then the trending line, started to trend back upwards and then flipped green, right? So it's bullish. After hitting target 1, then it hit target 2, and then we find out if that's it. Overall, the trend is down for the weekly chart, even though there might be a pending buy signal right now. What I mentioned on the live stream was that it could begin bullish or it could begin with a pending buy, but it's so early in the week that by the time the week is over, it's Tuesday night here, you still have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday at 5 p.m. my time before the week even closes. So it's still early in the week. And so we'll take a look at it as well, but here's the weekly chart, right? So if you kind of see here, I put on these horizontal lines earlier, call it that, right? So it was bearish, flipped bullish, and now it's become bearish, and the trending line is still trending downward and is red. So this would be one of those potential fake outs, potential false signals on the weekly chart, but we're playing it actually on the daily chart. So the daily chart is bullish. We do see a pending buy signal. It could even flip into a buy signal, could even close higher and hit this target and all put in a lower high, right? So even if the weekly chart comes all the way up here at a buy signal, etc., it still could be a lower high. So we'd be very cautious and then cautiously optimistic, right? Or cautious. And as price rolls could potentially roll over similar to silver and gold, then we'd expect these prices to be hit on the weekly chart. But it's a weekly chart, so it could take some time to play out, right? So if this is a weekly chart, and it's going to go like something like this, right? If it were to play out something similar to this, that would take a long time to play out. You're looking at 3 to 6 months, and this lower high, you can kind of like eyeball test. It could take a month. It could take a month to play out. So we'll see how it plays out. It's been, it's still, time wise is the bear market. So uh, maybe it's not going to 10,000 or zero, but it's also not going to 100,000, right? So, it's still currently bullish on the daily, and we're going to try to push the trend as long as we can. Doesn't mean it can't come back down, retest target one and the trending line, and before making a move back up to this target here. So, if it were to be something like that, then we're looking at it could come down like this, right? Find support, bounce, and then it looks something similar to that, right? So that's the daily chart. And that's about it, really. I mean, we've been covering this weekly on the live streams. We've been covering it daily. I post the charts on Twitter. So if you want to see these updates on a regular basis, keep following me on the newsletter. I'm sending out 2 newsletters per week. Twitter and the Discord, I'm posting daily, and then of course the daily live streams as well. So if you want to be a sniper, or you want to know what's going on a daily basis from a swing trader standpoint, and we're not going to gossip about the news, we're not going to gossip about Jerome Powell, we're not going to gossip about who did this, who did that to me, poor me, sorry about that. We're not going to go through all that. What we're going to do is stay hyper focused on the charts and continue to sniper these markets together. So thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, everything. It helps the algorithms, it helps me, and then it helps you, and it's a win-win situation. So hope you have a good night, and hopefully I'll see you on the live streams tomorrow. Thank you. Talk to you later.